Request came in to streamline the process of getting snapshotted meshes over to Max for reference purposes. So I threw together a couple of scripts to help with this, and it's pretty simple to use. What you do is you just select the meshes you want to send over, say the character mesh here, and maybe you want to send the weapon, and who knows, maybe you want to send the animation controller as well. Don't know why, but say you do. So you come up to your project menu animation, and you'll see two scripts here, send animated meshes and send snapshot. I'll do snapshot first. I'll send it over. It'll do the work for you. It'll actually, as long as Max is open, fire it off and shoot it over there and load it up. It does get merged into whatever scene is already open. It doesn't make a new scene, so you might want to do that if you need it. And then here we are. So this is the snapshot from that pose. And these are just raw meshes at this point. No skinning assigned. If you do want the animation over there, you can instead choose some animated meshes. And when that sends it over, it will send the skeleton with it. Actually, the snapshot sends a skeleton. I just delete it after it gets it into Max and I've snapshotted it. But anyways, here's the animated mesh in here, and you can see that the range is 65 to 140, same as in mobu, where those keyframes are anyway. And there's the animation. Just to show you that there is a rig here, or not a rig, the skeleton that is. I'll hide the geometry, and you can see there is the skeleton that is animated. Sometimes it's easier to say it kind of like this, but anyways, there it is. So that should work pretty well. I guess one other thing to show you here is that I probably ought to pull in this character just to show that the scale is working appropriately. So let's import or merge from resource browser, I guess. And this is going to be IM05. Let's see. I suppose setup is probably the one we want. And let's just do this stuff here. Ah, there we go. It was just hidden. So you can see this is what I just imported. It's frozen too, of course. And you can see that the scale is pretty much where it needs to be. I did find a few problems on a few obscure files where you should be able to do multiple characters simultaneously. Most of the time it worked. There's at least one file where there's a problem. I'm not sure what the problem was. I can look into it later if that is something we need to do. Otherwise, if you run into a problem, just do one character at a time and you'll work around the problem. Okay. Have any questions? Let me know. Thanks.